I decided I had some time to make a lean-to from the materials right around the landscape, like right around. Like if you look around, common reed, phragmites all around, Japanese knotwood, and just all kinds of pine duff and leaves, you know, for the outer or the back, you know, just using it in my immediate area. I doubt I left probably a 40 yard square area. So this is the back. It's not done yet, but this is the back. Okay, walk up to the front. So poison ivy, yeah, you can get it in the winter time. These are the what do they call them? The aerial roots, and it contains the urushiol oil, and that'll give you a bad day. Man, that's a thick vine, man. Woohoo! And they go all the way up. That's been growing a long time. Hope I don't get the itchy scratchies and the you-know-whereries. But anyway, got a nice strong ridgepole up there. And I put cross pieces across here to give it strength, because I got a lot of the common reed on there. I got the thatch material now from the ground of leaves, the duff from the pine needles and whatnot. Just started on the bed and I'm pooped. So there's my one outer log to keep the fire from rolling in. I'm going to do the bamboo shoots in the bottom because they're kind of springy, you know, and cushiony. And then I want to put the common reed, a bunch of common reed down, you know, before I put my pad down and sleeping bag and whatever. And I don't know if I'll sleep in it or not. I might as well, you know. What I build it for, right? But I got a little work to do, you know, on the edge. You know, over here on the side, I blocked this for the wind right here. You know, you always got that weird triangle thing going on here. You got a block. This is north, south, east, and west. So this is facing south. So most of the wind comes this way. That's New Jersey, so it's weird. It comes this way, we get nor'easters. It comes this way. It's messed up. So good luck with that anyway. But yeah, it's almost done. Yeah, I got a little bit of light through there. No, I'm by no means finished. No, I'm just one guy. I want to bring a tarp back so I can fill it up with leaves and duffs and dump it on there to get like a 3-4 foot inch, you know. So I want to make it waterproof, you know. Do something, do it right. I want to make a cooking system, probably out of Dan Baird's book. I don't know which one yet, Horry's Crane or whatever, but make a nice little, you know, camp away from camp, so to speak. Instead of a man cave, it's a true man cave. I don't know, but I'm just out here having fun. It's a beautiful day, even though the sun's not out. It's about in the low 40s, high 30s, a little bit breezy, but no big deal. This is all I have on is a shirt and this, and I got my Numa underwear thermal on. Pretty cool. Yeah, having fun. Pardon the nose drip. Half America has it. Half America has the flu too. So God bless all those people going through that. And I heard it killed a few of our youngsters, man. It's not good. Not good at all. So just keep them in your prayers. Anyway, it's a nice little landscape over here. I love coming here. Forage it to here too. They got wine berries. Oh, I just love it. So, well, anyway, I'm probably going to chill out here for a little bit and then split and call it a day and rest these weary bones. So have a good day.